Welcome to the first video in the Improv Games and Rules series. This is a 3-part series that can be used as a full syllabus for an improv class, or even a full week of summer camp. As we hit each of the rules, take your favorite improv games and dive into one of the rules explained as you play it. I'll link a book if you don't already have one of my favorite books of all time. So, improv is like throwing a ball or riding a bike. The more you do it, the better you get at it and the more fun it becomes. Okay, youth catching this, you may be thinking, rules, yuck. But when it comes to improvisation, they actually make the games more fun. Stay to the end and you'll understand why. Parents, I'm going to link a video that I just watched. I did preview it. There's no curse words. It's G-rated, which is always my preference. It comes from a Canadian group. Today's lesson comes a lot from inspiration from them. It's called Canadian Improv Games. I found them online and they have a whole section of free resources. And whenever I see something is listed as a free resource, I feel pretty confident sharing it with you. But I do want to credit them because some of this class today is not my original idea. But what's original these days, right? I do have some original TADA twists down below in videos 2 and 3 that'll be linked. So let's dive in. First up, accepting offers is next. So watch the next video here, right there. Yeah, see you there.